Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka ba dunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Kumshibenta nagajing rakhi ka World No Tobacco Day ban yalap shikipad ba nagajing mahjong gajing di Duma ne bam Duma ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh la penlong nagajing rally ka blastang na Skul Alpha Shasor Nongpoh bat pengkut biang a phalau jong school nagabenta ban yalap halo gajing kata jong gajing di Duma ne bam Duma Hashwan penlong ya gajing yat pat ba keyboard penya school la penlong shwai ka program a jing kai shiki Khynnah school halo gajing ma jong gajing di Duma bat bam Duma bala ajing keren dak nang kai ba Khynnah school bahading kata klebeteng dak bayat pat ba bandra lagi plakat ki bana ba ringkat ke jing thok ki Pyrshah bat pin sngo ki pat ba Duma udai we ni ki jingdi basniu ka bakta ya ka kot ka khya
First of all, is smoking and cigarette injurious to our health? Yes, cigarette smoking is harmful to our health due to numerous toxic chemicals present in it, damaging nearly every organ in the body. These chemicals increase the risk of various diseases including cancer, lung disease, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Smoking also impacts reproduction system and central nervous system and the immune system. So the most thing that affects in our lungs is the nicotine present in the cigarette.
We all know that alcohol is a depressant that makes people feel drunk. It also affects the bloodstream system and the brain. When consumed alcohol is absorbed into the bloodstream, it travels to the brain and also affects various systems including mood, behavior, and coordination. It can also cause certain health issues like addiction, organ damage, etc., which will later on be explained by one of my fellow.
Tobacco contains various types of toxic chemicals, many of which are toxic and carcinogenic. Nicotine addiction. Nicotine is a highly addictive substance, making it difficult for users to quit tobacco and also leading dependence on the substance. Then, social factor, peer pressure, media influence, and cultural norms can also influence in tobacco use.
So for this we are doing this demonstration. So in this demonstration like we fill up this bottle with the water and there is you can see the outlet is there with this pipe. So when the water will flow out of this pipe, that means it put pressure in the bottle which will pull the smoke inside the bottle. Like how when a person, a smoker smoke a cigarette like this. So where the smoke goes, it goes inside. So now I cannot show you that, so that's why we are using this demonstration, right? It enters in the body, it enters in our body, right? Now when it enters in the body, that smoke, it goes to different parts of our body, mainly in our blood. Our blood is called oxygenated blood. So when the smoke enters in our body and it goes to the blood, it reduces the level of oxygen in our blood. That is the result that some of our friends says that students they mentioned that it causes asthma also. Now, this smoke, it contains a chemical which is called tar, T-A-R, tar. And the tar contains a drug which is called nicotine. Now, through this demonstration we have shown you this. This is the presence of nicotine in the cigarette. Now, when this nicotine it enters in our body, especially when it goes to the brain, in our brain we have neurotransmitter receptor, which gives signals to our body. So this nicotine it reacts with the receptors present in our brain, and when it reacts with the receptors in our brain, it produces a different type of chemical hormones which is called dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone produced by this nicotine, and this dopamine makes, once it interact or react with the natural receptors present in the brain, it makes us for time being feel happy. We feel relaxed, free from depression. But once the effect of dopamine is gone, then again the brain demands. That's why the person who smokes keep on smoking.